Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi in Windows 11 step by step. Turning on Wi-Fi allows you to connect your computer to wireless networks and access the internet. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet from the menu on the left. Next, select Wi-Fi. At the top of the page, you'll see the Wi-Fi toggle. Click the toggle to turn Wi-Fi on. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, click on Show Available Networks. Windows will display a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, then click Connect. If the network is password protected, enter the Wi-Fi password. You can also check the Connect Automatically option if you want Windows to reconnect to this network whenever it's in range. After entering the password, click Next or Connect. Wait a few moments while Windows establishes the connection. Once connected, you'll see the status change to Connected Secured. You can now open your web browser and start using the internet. If you ever want to disconnect from the network, click the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar, select the connected network, and click Disconnect. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Wi-Fi in Windows 11 and connected to a wireless network. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.